I'm going to show you how you can retouch portraits in Photoshop within just a few seconds. Even with lots of skin imperfections like here, you can have a really natural looking result. Now that we have artificial intelligence, we no longer need to heal, brush and clone for hours in Photoshop. The AI can do that instead of us. So portrait photographers can save hours of time, and now I'm going to show you how. Let's start with this image. First, let's copy this layer, and now I'm going to go Filter, Retouch for me, Heal. Retouch for me is a company that makes Photoshop plugins. Some of them are free, some of them you have to pay for. Now let's go for Heal. You can leave all the settings on auto. You can adjust the sensitivity slider, but in my experience it's best to leave it on 100 and just go Apply. And now on a separate layer you have this healed layer. This is what the AI did in a few seconds. Wow, it's crazy. And now you can name this as Heal if you want to. And let's use Adobe's new AI Power Remove tool. And on this layer, sample all layers, remove after each stroke. I'm going to just brush over it and let the AI do its magic. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And let's make the brush smaller here a little bit. Fine. Fine. That looks alright. Maybe here. So I don't want to edit this too much. Maybe here I can make another stroke. Now, this was before and this is after healing. And now let's copy this healed layer again and go Filter, Retouch for me, Dodge and Burn. So this is a separate plugin from Retouch for me. You can leave this on auto. It's going to automatically detect if it's a portrait, a half-length portrait or a full-length portrait. Wow, isn't that awesome? So it automatically evened out the skin tones. The dark areas naturally got brighter. Of course, you can fine-tune it here with the blending. Now it's going to be really retouched. I don't want this, it's going to be too smoothened out. This is good. Or you can adjust the warmth, but personally I like to leave this at 0. Now let's leave it like this and apply. Or if you want, you can have a soft light layer, but let's just go Apply. So now I have a Dodge and Burn layer as well. So within just a few clicks, I could make this photo look like this. Given that it was all automatic, the results are fantastic. So how to get these plugins? Just go to the link under the video and that will take you to the Retouch for Me website, and as a viewer of my channel you will get 20% off from your purchase. Now let's have another example. I don't think that this photo really needs to be retouched, but let's see what this Retouch for Me plugin does for us. Of course, you can save all those steps that I previously mentioned into an action, and this is exactly what I did. So on my Actions tab, I have this Retouch for Me action, and I just press play and look what it does completely automatically without me touching anything. So within just a few seconds, I have my healed layer, I have my Dodge and Burn layer, and it was all automatic, and this was the before and this is the after. Isn't this amazing? I didn't have to do anything. So if you're a portrait photographer, this will definitely help you hours of editing time. If you think that this video was useful to you, please hit the like button and also maybe subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to use the link under the video to get 20% off from your Retouch for Me plugin purchase. I'm gonna see you in the next one. All the best from Hungary.